So today I'm going to show you how I make my tallow soap bar. It's one of my favorite soap bars that I make. It's scented with lavender and frankincense. I'm going to start by weighing all my oils. I'm using beef tallow, olive oil, shea butter, and castor oil. Then I'm going to put them in a pot on low heat and melt them. In my soap bars, I use unrefined shea butter. Unrefined shea butter preserves all the vitamins A and E, natural fatty acids, and plant sterols, and it survives saponification, so it leaves your skin more conditioning and less drying. While the oils are melting, I'm going to get my lye and water combined. Always make sure you wear protective gear like gloves and mask and goggles when working with lye. Always add the lye into the water, never the other way around. I'm using a 50-50 lye-water ratio. My superfat percentage for this soap bar recipe is going to be 6%. It's going to make the bar of soap hydrating and not too stripping. I'm using a 50-50 blend of these essential oils. The bar is going to have lavender and frankincense, which combined together make a beautiful scent that I love. I don't use any synthetic fragrance in my bars as they can cause hormone disruption, respiratory issues, and skin irritation. Now I'm going to combine my lye water mixture with my oils. Using my stick blender, I'm going to mix until a light trace forms. Make sure your lye water is sitting at 90 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and your oils are within that same temperature range. Always combine lye water into the oils, never the other way around. Next, once the soap is at a light trace, it's time to add the essential oils. I use my stick blender to make sure this goes faster, alongside with a spatula. Once the soap reaches trace, I'm going to add it to my molds. My recipe fills these molds perfectly. After about 48 hours, I will unmold my soap bars and then cut them. There is a lot of olive oil in this recipe, so it takes longer to harden up. If anyone is interested in buying this soap bar, it will be available on my website, badlandsbotanicals.com, along with my other soap bars. I will put the recipe in the description below. Now I'm going to just tap these molds gently on the counter to make sure I get all the air bubbles out. After about 5 to 6 weeks, this soap will be cured and be ready to use. Now, going to garnish using some dried lavender that I grew last year in my garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.